when you want to stop doing something, you simply stop doing it. If you say, how do we do this? You literally say, okay, and a really good way to do it actually is to say, okay, from this day or from this night, we're going to stop giving the bottle. So pick a day, maybe a week or two in advance, say, we'll give him the bottle then. On that date, we're going to stop giving the bottle. Is there going to be unsettledness? Absolutely. There probably will be in the first couple of nights, and that's more of a response to the change. Suddenly they're not getting the bottle, there'll be a bit of protest. But honestly, if you hold yourself together through that process, it's very, very short term. And generally speaking, within about 3 or 4 nights, the bottle is off the radar. Okay, it really happens that quickly.
They adapt very, very well.
It's more about our fear and anxiety as parents, thinking, oh my God, this is going to be really huge. Honestly, just stop giving the bottle and deal with the protest and unsettledness that you are undoubtedly going to be getting.
Stay consistent and
stay calm and think it's fine. And honestly, the more that you can do that, the quicker you'll get through that. And you're like, wow, that actually wasn't that hard after all. So that would be our advice.